Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm your AI presenter Julia from Wondershare Virbo. Have you ever wondered how some YouTubers turn their animated avatars into viral sensations and get millions of views? Well, in this video, we will find an answer for that. I am going to show you how to create a talking avatar from a photo and use it to pull in the crowds. But before we get to our topic, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. As we all know, in the wild world of YouTube, viral content ideas are the path to success. And let me tell you that having an animated avatar can be your golden ticket. When scrolling through our YouTube feed, you see boring faces and thumbnails that you don't want to open. But what if there is an animated character, unique and eye-catching? You will definitely open the video to check it out, right? See, that's the power of an animated avatar. It sets you apart in a crowd of faces, especially if you're running a faceless YouTube channel. With an animated character, you can create a symbol of creativity in a world hungry for fresh content. Not to mention, animated avatars have this magical quality of sticking in people's minds. So, if you're looking to spice up your content and stand out from the crowd, you need your animated avatar. But do you know how to create your YouTube character? Well, let me help you with that. No doubt, technology has evolved and there are many AI image generators like Pixpic, Midjourney, etc. available. With these tools, you just need a few clicks and you will get your AI avatar. Don't believe me? Today I'll take Pixpic as an example. Search Pixpic Google and head to its homepage. You will see various styles of portraits. Select what style you wish to adapt and click the Confirm Style button. Next, click Upload Images and upload at least 5 clear photos of you. Then click Submit and proceed. Don't forget to go through the upload requirements. In just a few minutes, your personalized AI avatar will be ready. Did you see it? How easy is the process? Now we need to breathe life into your animated avatar and make it talk. Wondershare Virbo has recently launched its Talking Photo feature and it is truly magical. It turns your static images into dynamic ones. Plus, you can add voice clips to your photos to make them interactive and create engaging content. It's available on web, Windows, iOS, and Android, meaning you can bring your avatar to life no matter where you are. Just follow these steps. First, go to Virbo's official website or install its app. Then, select the Talking Photo option. Then upload your Pixpic portrait, select it and click Next. Templates are also available, you can also select from them. Now, input a message that you want to send in the text box. Select a voiceover and adjust its tone. Then, click Create Video and your talking photo will be ready. If you are confused about what to write, click AI Script button and the AI writer has got you covered. Welcome to Wondershare Virbo. I am your AI avatar. Use photo magic to make your photos talk and come to life. Whether you want your animated avatar to sound like a charismatic storyteller, a tech guru, or even a robot, there is an option for everyone. Your avatar is about to sound more lifelike than ever before. And for those who prefer a touch of uniqueness, there are regular AI avatars ready to serve. Pick one that goes with your channel's vibes, and you're good to go. Also, if you're finding something more special, Virbo also offers a custom avatar service. You can also have a tailor-made avatar to match your style, brand, and vibe. It's like having your own digital doppelganger, and trust us, your viewers will be hooked. And there you have it. The insider's guide to making a viral animated avatar. From creating images with AI image generators to animating your avatar and giving it a voice, we've covered everything you need to know. But remember, it's not only about flashy visuals or snazzy animations. It's about connecting with your audience, and forming a community around your content. So, what are you waiting for? Let's make some magic happen. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.